It's the Margot Elena Fall Curation. So if you're excited to see what's in this luxury subscription box, then stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracey. Bandit's hanging out with me and Chloe's off doing her own thing. If you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. This is a quarterly subscription box, so it comes out seasonally. And it is by Margot Elena, so you're going to get the Margot Elena family of scents. There's usually a perfume in there. I love her perfumes. I think I've only found 2 that I didn't really care for in total ever of all the boxes and all of the scents that I've tried. So you have your TokyoMilk. Love that line. It's actually one of the lines that have more musky scents that I actually enjoy. There's Library of Flowers, Lollia, which is a very light scent, Infinite She, Archive, and then Cottage Greenhouse, which is more skincare. And they have some amazing scents. Their hand creams, beyond. So I'm beyond excited for this box. And it's been sitting around for maybe a week or so, and I just haven't had time to film. So today I'm just like blasting through all these boxes and getting everything filmed. All right, when you open it up, it's very beautifully packaged, and it says True Beauty Revealed. And then the little card says A Celebration Serene, and this is your product card. So beautiful design. Sometimes they'll give you cards from their line. TokyoMilk, sometimes Infinite She. They'll have some cards, greeting cards that you can send out. And then sometimes there's some exclusives. So right on top, I'm seeing this heavy duty pot holder. Look at how pretty that is. And then the back, and then inside, look at that. There's a little tag in here, and it says baked pears. Oh, it just tells you how to make baked pears. Okay. So pretty. So pretty. And this is an exclusive to the box, and it is the ME Happy Home Quilted Pot Holder with a retail value of $16. And it's very heavy duty. I mean, would I go out and buy a $16 pot holder? No, I probably wouldn't, but I mean, I'm happy to have that. Listen, the total retail value of this box is $202, and I think you pay like 50 something these days. When I started, it was 49, but I think it's up to like 59 maybe. But still, you're getting a $202 value. Next, from the Lollia line is a hand cream, and I actually have this box at work, and I use it to store paper clips because it's so pretty. And I mean, I used the hand lotion. I used every last bit of it. And this is an aluminum tube. And at one point they gave us like this little key so you can pull it down. The only thing is that these are sealed and they don't have a little pokey thing to unseal them. So that becomes a little difficult because I'm always afraid I'm going to jab myself. And this is a $27 value. And I'm going to tell you the scents on these, they're so amazing. I always get so many compliments every time. And that's like the hand lotions that I use all the time because I've gotten so many in these boxes. And I'm always pulling one out and people are always going like, oh my God, that smells amazing. What is that? Okay, this feels like it could be a candle maybe, just based upon I feel like a little, I mean, everything's like so nicely wrapped in here too. Feel like a little tin in there maybe, like a twist. And yes, I have the card in front of me, but I only look for like what I'm looking for at that time. And this is by TokyoMilk, and it is it's a candle. Oh, it smells so good. I wish you guys could smell that. Usually they're really good and they put like the scent notes on here. So let's see. Lemon balm, amber, winter daphne, and musk. It smells so good. And this is a $16 value. And just so pretty. Next, all right, this is like a shorter little, maybe twist top. Maybe it's a body balm. This is the Library of Flowers Perfumed Cream Willow and Water. This is one of my favorite scents of theirs. I'm using this right now. Oh, it's so amazing. So this is for the entire body. It smells so good. I wish you guys could smell this, honestly. This smells so great. And this doesn't have the scent notes on here. Usually it does. It just smells so nice. And just look at how cute that design is. And that's a $22 value. All right, we do have a set of cards. These are from their TokyoMilk line. And some of these are cheeky, but safe cheeky. So this one says, may your birthday be a hoot. And there's glitter on there. So like that kind of cheeky. And then this one says, another year and no crow's feet. And then this one says, wishing you good fortune. And that's a $16.50 value. All right, next we have either a shower gel or a body lotion, because it's a big tube. And this is the Archive Journey Within Relaxing Shower Gel. And we just finished up either one of the Archive scents. I don't know if it was this one or a different one, but we just finished that up and loved it. And then my mom took this Bath and Body Works Watermelon Lemonade and put it in there next. And it just, and I like Bath and Body Works, but it just did not compete with what we had just been using. And you'll know I'm going to use this right here. But that's just wasteful not to. This must be the perfume because of the size. I can feel like a square here and a little cap. This is TokyoMilk Dark Hypnotic, and the scent notes on this are Crimson Currant, Cashmere, Spiced Vanilla, and Valencia. Ooh, that sounds so delicious. Oh, yep, smelling that currant. Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's a nice musky scent, but when you first spray it on, you are definitely getting that red currant, that kind of juicy, fruity, but not a sweet fruity. Really nice. As it's drying down, I am smelling like a vanilla musk. Is that the scent in there? Spiced vanilla. Yeah, definitely going to get some of that. And that is a $32 value. And there's one more thing in here. So yeah, so it's in this box right here. And it says, all things beautiful, M.E. Happy Home. So this must be another Margot Elena line. Is their Happy Home line. I have gotten like a apron and some hand towels. And this is a beautiful set of 4 nested measuring cup. We have 1/4 cup. Look at how gorgeous these are. We have our 3rd cup. Here we go. Our 1/2 cup. And our full cup. And these are just going to sit in each other. And they are ceramic, so you want to be careful with them. You don't want to like leave them somewhere where they might drop, or around any of your family members who are total klutzes, like in my house. and they break everything. There's that. But they're so gorgeous. And that is an exclusive, and it's a $30 value. And I think that's a fair price for that. I think some of the stuff like the hand cream, that is overpriced, but I think some of the other stuff is kind of a fair price. I think, you know, for how lovely this is, I would definitely see that in store and pay that. Okay, so that is my Margot Elena box. Let me know your thoughts. What was your favorite item? As much as I love everything in here, it's going to be these cups. These are just so gorgeous. But everything in here is a great scent. Like I said, I've had some of these other products in different sizes or forms and have always loved them. All right. Well, thank you so much for spending a little time with me. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. It's totally free, but it means so much over here to us and helps us grow and helps us, you know what you like and get more of those kinds of things. And hopefully we'll see you soon.